Good morning, teacher. My name is Lorena Quiñones. I am from Bucaramanga. Let's look at weather for today. Monday. Activities to do rain at 56 degrees Celsius. You can do my marathon. You can do college work. We can be John with the family. Tuesday. Activities to do on an sunny and 72 degrees Celsius. You can go out to do physical exercise. You can go for a walk with friends. You can spend the day in the pool. Wednesday. Activity to do on cloudy day and 67 degrees Celsius. Um, we can take photos. You can read a book. We can prepare a cookie recipe. Thursday. Activities to do on a snow day and 31 degrees Celsius. You could make a snowman. We can ride a lead, can build an igloo. Friday. Activities to do on a sunny day at 8 degrees Celsius. We can play golf. You can take a yacht ride. You can walk with the pet. Thanks, teacher.